It is Halloween morning, and I cannot think of a better way to start out the day than with It's a Great Pumpkin Latte, Charlie Brown. This Halloween special is my absolute favorite this time of year, and so this is the inspiration. It's a Great Pumpkin Latte, Charlie Brown. Yeah, I guess you get it now. But it does start off with something a little unusual and something you probably haven't heard of before. We are gonna make peanut coffee. I know this sounds completely weird, but just 2 ingredients, and I'm telling you, look how creamy that is. Oh crap, I spilled some. Oh well. But look how creamy that is, and I promise you, it's, so delicious. Now you can add some sweetener if you'd like, but we are not done. Remember, this is It's a Great Pumpkin Latte, Charlie Brown. So we have a couple more things to add here. So you know what? Back to the blender. Oh my gosh, so we are almost ready with our It's a Great Pumpkin Latte, Charlie Brown. But before I finish that up, I want to tell you a few things about this Halloween special that I love so much. I cannot even believe that it came out in 1966, which means my entire life, every Halloween, I've been watching It's a Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. And I plan to watch it until, I'm old and in the retirement home too, so many more years to come. But one of the things that I love about this show, apart from the fact that Linus is so dedicated to the Great Pumpkin, is I read that, how when Charlie Brown goes trick-or-treating, all he gets are rocks? Well, I read that Charles Schulz, the creator of Peanuts, actually received boxes and boxes of Halloween candy after the episode originally aired in 1966. And all of that candy was addressed to Charlie Brown. So sweet. So I just nuked this in the microwave to get it nice and warm, but you can also serve this cold. It's really good over ice, but let's give it a shot. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. I can taste the peanut butter, I can taste pumpkin, coffee, which is delicious, and cinnamon. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely delicious. Oh. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am all about turning 80s movies, music, and television into awesome vegan recipes. Okay guys, have a great Halloween, and I'll see you back here for some other recipes soon.